Okay, go ahead.
So, when we have the fish bowls, even we got the bath, even the bucket, even my backpack. And when they have snacks in them, me and my dad can eat them.
So on that note, we're at my local spillway again.
Dad, can we go
If you can't tell,
the waterfall?
the water is super low. Like, it's not even funny low. But we're gonna go try get some smallies. Hopefully get in some walleye here shortly. It's late afternoon, long day at work. Figured, why not? Let's go hit the water for a little bit. All right. Till then, we'll see you out there. You need me to carry you?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna take you. We're gonna go fishing.
Are you gonna go back to our stuff?
We're not gonna come back for it.
Yeah, okay. Can we fish right there? Please? I like the fish over there. We're not gonna see that. I use bubbles right there. All this water's coming from the waterfall, right?
Yep.
And it's all the way all around us. And it's gonna come back to us, right?
Yep.
Like back and forth, right?
Yep.
Bubbles! Those are bubbles from the fish.
Here,
right?
I'll go back there fishing stuff. Be careful, okay? Don't fall.
Somewhere?
No, we're gonna fish up in here. Yep, that's fine. Yep. Not right now.
You have a fish on?
No.
You have a fish on, and I have to in the water. And then when I grab the fish, oh, you got one?
Yeah, here, Willow. Here. Come here, hurry up.
Well,
There you
is
go.
it really?
Yeah, keep reeling.
Whoa.
He's jumping.
Wow.
There it is. Okay, stop.
Can we keep
Stop.
him?
No, he's too small.
Can we grab him?
No. Don't touch. He's got lots of hooks in him.
What? He stopped him wiggling? Does he want to... Oh, he stopped wiggling now? Is he okay?
You'll be okay.
Dad, can you swim out of my hand for me?
Can I what?
Can I hold him so he can swim out of my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do these have hooks down there? Or nice hooks? Please don't get me cold.
One little smallie. Okay, here.
What do you want me to
Grab him right there by his lip.
Is he gonna lick me?
Yeah, grab him with your thumb. There he goes, like that. Hold him really tight.
Oh, okay.
Now let him go in the water.
Whoa. Oh.
Okay. You're fine. Okay, go ahead and sit down. We'll do it again, okay?
Whoa. He was in my palm.
Yeah, I know.
He tipped in me.
Did he?
So you throw him in the water when
Yeah.
he did.
Well, next time just set him in the water so you can watch him swim away.
Oh,
I got one. Come here.
is he still on?
You're still on.
Do you like me?
Keep reeling. Okay, stop. That's good.
Oh, that's him, right?
Yeah, little smallie.
That's his baby, right? Oh, he keeps flashing me, right? Oh, come on, fish. Oh, he got his tail, right? It's a boy. Come on. So can I put it back in the water, please?
Wait, back up till I get the hooks out, okay?
Okay. I'm going to stay like this. Right? Okay, can I put him back in the water now, Dad?
Grab him by the mouth like I showed you. Squeeze really hard. Squeeze really hard. So hold on here, let me get him. Watch out.
He cut me. He was looking at me. Can I put him back in the water though?
Here, I'll do it, okay? Okay then, come here. Oh, never mind, he got off, sorry. I'll let the next one go, okay? Scared the holy bejesus out of me.
Wait,
Oh, it's standing on a fish. Or a snake, I mean.
Wait, I just saw a black snake.
No, back up, Willow. It's a snake.
Snake?
Yeah, I was standing on a snake and it started wrapping around my foot and it scared me.
Dad, can I get away from the snake?
Yeah, stay up on the log.
Dad, see? I still have to wrap it on.
Here, Willow. Here, I got a decent one. Here, Willow, you gonna reel it in?
Yep. I'm coming.
Hurry up.
With a pick off?
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Stop.
Oh.
Caught a bluegill on a crankbait.
Can I pull him back in the water? How about you do it?
That's different.
Hey, Dad.
That's a first for me.
Dad, can you throw him back in the water for me, please?
Yep.
You can do a flip. I want to see him do that flip. Can you do this so we can do a flip, Dad? Because I don't like when they cut me. Dad, I just want to get nice fish, Dad.
This one is a nice fish.
What?
This one is a nice fish. Here, grab
Wait,
him.
look at his tail. Aww, that's so cute. Can I touch his tail, Dad? Can I touch his tail? Really sticky, right? Can I touch him?
Yep.
Okay, now put him back in the water.
Okay.
Is he still there? Oh, Flappy! Okay, now put him in the water right Dad? When I put it back in, right, Dad?
Yep.
Catch that fish. Okay, let's get off. Oh, that fish will come to my ears. Bye!
2 smallies and a sunfish. Not bad.
He's flashing and say goodbye. He's flashing and say goodbye.
Yep, it's a splash. He's like, bye, Willow.
He's flashing and say goodbye, Willow, Dad.
Yep. There's another one. Here, want to reel it in? Hurry up, Willow.
Okay, I'm coming. You got another one? Are they so happy with me? Whoa. Can I keep reeling?
Keep reeling. Okay, that's good.
That's really
Another
cool.
sunfish. What the heck?
What? You caught snake fish?
It's possible.
What? He still likes us? Oh, he doesn't know. Oh well, my sister still that. My sister still.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to stop fighting. Please don't get cut. Please don't get cut, little spread. Cut. My sister's still now.
Okay, ready?
Yep, throw him back in the water. Hi, little fish. Anyway, that you're right up here, right there.
All right, on that note, we're going to head home. Caught a few fish today. Did you have fun, Willow?
Yep.
Want everybody bye?
Go now. Quick.
Hey, you want everybody bye?
Bye. You better hurry, Dad. Come on.
I guess we got to hurry because the sunset's beautiful. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Does that make you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm really fixing the door because they're in my way.
Oh, because they're in your way? Okay.
Yeah.